I'm going to take this opportunity to sing a song by myself. Yeah. This song is originally intended for the piano, but we didn't have access to one, so it is now an acoustic guitar song. It's called Old Train. On this long road of a lost soul, only life I'd ever known, but there's nowhere left to go. So old terrain, bring me home again. Tell that same old story of my blood and bones, and sing that pain sad song of those lost and gone in this cold world. You're the only sight I've seen, and these blind eyes, your face they memorize. Broken hands, but my heart's on the mend. So old terrain, bring me home again, and tell that same old story of my blood and bones, and sing that pain sad song of those lost and gone. In the school, when the sun sets, lay me down to rest.
Yeah.
Only life I could have known, but there's nowhere left to go. So old train, bring me home again.